Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best swirl removers for car paint that are available on the market for their true quality. We'll break down their features, performance, and value so you can make the best choice for your car. All product links are in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Carfidant Black Scratch and Swirl Remover, specifically designed for black and darker paint finishes. This product offers a targeted solution for those who own vehicles with these difficult-to-maintain colors. Its specially formulated compound, combined with the included buffer pad, makes short work of light scratches, water spots, and swirl marks. The result? A restored glossy brilliance that makes your car look years younger. The product's design is straightforward, with an easy-to-handle bottle and a no-fuss applicator that even beginners can use. It's professional grade but user-friendly, so you don't need to be a detailing expert to achieve great results. However, its specialized focus on darker paints means it's not the best option for lighter-colored vehicles, which limits its versatility. In terms of value, it's a solid choice for those with black or dark cars, but might not appeal to everyone due to its niche formula. Pros include a dedicated formula for dark paint, easy application, and noticeable results on light scratches and swirls. On the flip side, this product doesn't work as well on deeper scratches or non-black finishes, and its price wasn't available at the time of this review. Overall, it's great for a specific audience, but lacks the universal appeal of other options. Coming in at number 4 is the PyMag Up. At number 3, we have the 3D Speed All-in-One Polish and Wax, a versatile product that combines scratch removal and paint protection in a single step. This product is perfect for those who want to save time while still achieving a professional-grade finish. Its advanced formula tackles light scratches, swirls, and oxidation while leaving behind a glossy, protective wax layer. One standout feature of the 3D Speed Polish is its ease of use. Whether you're applying it by hand or with a dual-action polisher, it goes on smoothly and wipes off cleanly without leaving any residue. This makes it a favorite among both beginners and professional detailers. However, its all-in-one design means it's not as specialized for deep scratch repair, so it's best suited for maintenance and light restoration work. The 3D Speed Polish is a high-quality choice for anyone looking to restore and protect their car's finish in one easy step. Pros include its dual functionality, user-friendly application, and professional-grade results. The only real downside is that it's not ideal for tackling deeper scratches or heavy-duty restoration projects. Overall, it's a time-saving solution for those who want a polished, showroom-ready look with minimal effort. Taking the number 2 spot is the Carfidant Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover. This premium option offers an easy and effective way to restore your car's finish while removing light scratches, swirls, and water spots. The included buffer pad makes application a breeze, and the professional-grade formula ensures that your car looks as good as new. What sets this product apart is its versatility. It's safe to use on all paint types, including clear coat, single-stage, and multi-stage finishes. The formula is free of unnecessary dyes and scents, focusing solely on performance. While it's perfect for light to moderate imperfections, it may not be the best choice for tackling deeper scratches. At $21.97, it's on the higher end of the price spectrum, making it a premium option for those who want reliable, high-quality results. The Carfidant Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover is ideal for car enthusiasts who are willing to invest a bit more for top-notch results. Pros include its professional-grade formula, ease of use, and broad compatibility with various paint types. The only con is that it's not the most budget-friendly option, and it may struggle with deeper blemishes. Still, it's a fantastic choice for anyone who takes pride in their car's appearance. Finally, at number 1, we have the meguiar's Ultimate Compound, a product that delivers incredible performance at an unbeatable price. This budget-friendly option is a fan favorite for its ability to remove scratches, swirls, and oxidation while restoring your car's color and clarity. The exclusive micro-abrasive technology ensures a smooth, swirl-free finish, making it a top choice for both beginners and seasoned car enthusiasts. The design and build quality are impressive for a product in this price range. The 15.2-ounce bottle offers excellent value, and the creamy texture makes application and removal a seamless process. Whether you're using it by hand or with a dual-action polisher, this compound delivers professional-level results without breaking the bank. At just $13.60, it's the most affordable option on this list, yet it doesn't compromise on quality. Meguiar's Ultimate Compound is the perfect all-rounder for anyone looking to restore their car's finish without spending a fortune. Pros include its budget-friendly price, effective scratch and swirl removal, and ease of use. The only con is that it may not offer the same long-lasting protection as some premium options. Overall, it's a fantastic choice that combines affordability, performance, and ease of use, earning its place as our top pick. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.